Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make miso salmon. This is a very common dish, especially in Hawaii. It's a Japanese type of thing. So first of all, I have 1 pound of salmon, which I have the skin on, and I've already scaled it. So first of all, I have a bowl here, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of miso. This is the white miso. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of sake. That's all the ingredients, very simple. So I'm going to mix this up. Now I have the salmon on a plate, and I put some plastic wrap on it, and then I laid the salmon, which I've kind of washed it and dried it up. So I have skin side up. Now I'm going to apply about half of the miso mix on the skin. Now I'm going to turn it over on the flesh side. See how nice and red. This is a good quality salmon. The rest of the miso paste goes on it, the flesh now. Now I'm going to wrap the salmon up. And I'm going to refrigerate this for 1 day. Now I have one all ready to go. So all I'm going to do is take off the plastic. And then what you do is you scrape off the marinade. And I'm going to put it on another plate. Now I'm cooking the salmon, skin side down. The salmon is cooking, and I'm waiting for it to cook about halfway before I turn it. Oops, skin came out. Here's the finished product. It only took about 5 to 7 minutes. Of course, if you have a bigger salmon, it'll take longer. But you also can broil this in the oven, or you can grill it outside. So it depends. But I wanted to eat it right away, so it's very fast. And so now I'm going to sprinkle some green onions over it. And some sesame seeds. And now to taste it. Very nice. Different from just salt and pepper, the usual way of cooking it. This salmon is very delicately cooked, not too long. So the taste is tender, and you can taste the sweetness from the mirin and the sake. And of course the miso. So miso is salty, but it's not overpowering because we wiped most of it off. So you gotta try this. It's really delicious. You can use other fish too, like butterfish or ahi, something like that. So please try it. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching. See you on the next video.